Any technology that can change the market starts with solid manufacturing. MLC is building such an industrial base in China by establishing the first production line for its original CGM systems. Cutting-edge capacities, strict quality control, and the long-standing expertise of our strategic partners come together here. Production lines operate 24/7, enabling rapid scale-up of product output in response to global demand. It's more than just production. This is the infrastructure of trust on which the future of the MLC product is built. This is where quality is created that will be trusted by millions of users around the world. Here's what our partners say about it.
This is the MLC product we're doing from the mold design to final injection. They just come out from the injection machine. We are proud to be partnered with MLC. They are truly unique in-house CGM technology, global patents, and clear vision. This is a win-win strategic partnership. We combine our mature manufacturer capability with MLC. We will help MLC to deliver high-quality components to every end user.
When innovation is supported by solid production, world-class products appear. MLC, technology built for scalability. Crafted with precision, created for the future.